Hello and welcome back to iPhone Made Simple. If your iPhone sometimes sounds too loud, too quiet, or not quite how you expect it, you're not alone. So in this video, I'm going to show you a few simple settings that help you control your iPhone's sound much more easily. Nothing we change here will cause any problems, and you can adjust everything back at any time. So section 1, volume basics. On the side of your iPhone are the volume buttons. These basically control things like music, videos, and general sound. But there is also a separate setting for ringtones and alerts. Section 2, ringtone and alert volume. So you're going to open your settings, tap sounds and haptics. Here you'll basically see a slider for ringtone and alert volume. This controls how loud calls and notifications are. Section 3, change with buttons. There's also an option called change with buttons. If this is on, the side buttons on your phone will change your ringtone volume. If it's off, they basically won't. You can choose whichever you prefer and whichever suits you best. Section 4, silent mode. The switch on the side of your iPhone controls silent mode. When it's on, your phone won't ring, but alarms and some sounds can still come through. Once you understand these simple settings, your iPhone sound becomes much easier to control. I post simple iPhone tips like this each week to make everyday use easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.